Rotary's mobile columns are designed for faster and easier unboxing and setup, shipping with oil and batteries pre-installed. Once your columns have been delivered, start by removing the plastic wrap. The power cord for the lift will be attached to the plastic wrap. Make sure to remove it and set it aside. Next, remove the remote/charger box from the column. Inside of the box, you will receive one charging cord, one charging station, and one remote control. Now remove the cardboard and protective plastic from the bottom of the lift. Next, remove the shipping bracket. To do this, use a 5/8 inch or 16mm wrench to remove the two nuts and bolts holding the bracket on. Then pull the shipping bracket out of the forklift pockets. Next, remove the bolt that is securing the wheel assembly using two 3/4 inch or 19mm wrenches or sockets. Now, using a 30mm or a 1 3/16 inch wrench, adjust the bolt on the back of the column to provide floor clearance. Tightening the bolt raises the column ride height, and loosening the bolt lowers it. The optimal clearance is approximately 3/8 of an inch. If your lift has adjustable front wheels, use a 5/16 inch or 8mm Allen wrench to adjust the floor clearance on both front legs until they are flush with the surface, approximately 3/8 of an inch. Loosening the bolt raises the column ride height, and tightening lowers it. Next, reposition the magnetic antenna from the shipping location to the working location. Now, release the emergency stop by twisting it clockwise. To charge the column, insert the charging cord into the charging port. Once plugged in, on the opposite side of the column, you will see a light indicating that the column is charging. If the light is red, the lift is charging, and if the light is green, the lift is fully charged. Finally, remove the wire tie from the power switch, and your column is now ready to use.